It is hot out here. Creating content, you gotta have the comfortable shoes. But now, I gotta get in this AC because this is ridiculous. A little too hot in here in Houston for me. I ain't gonna lie to you. Make sure you always buckle up. Alright, so this is pretty cool. I actually got like a few street shots that I'm gonna pop up right here because I think it actually works right here. I feel like you can't get a bad shot like that. So let me show you all the street shots that I got just in this area. These buildings are pretty interesting. Y'all see all this gear going on. It better be some shots coming out of this. We got a lot going on. Off-camera flash. It's gonna be one light setup. Off-camera flash. Hopefully, keep the fingers crossed. Knock on wood. It's a tree over there. That nobody comes out and bothers us trying to create this. So let's do it.
I got my handy dandy lightning. It snapped it right there. That part should be down, connected to this.
Did you get the other?
No, I'ma still use this. It'll just be a little bit more channel, but I'm still gonna use it. It'll still work. And then I'll toss it. I won't take it back home with me, but it'll still work.
Get the job done.
Yep.
How you feel?
Amazing.
Amazing. On to the next location. So I had to leave that DAP challenge a little early because I ended up having like a meetup put together here in Houston that I have to meet everybody there. So we heading down there. I'm trying to see if I can stop and I need something to eat. I haven't eaten anything and it's 1:30. So, you know, if I plan to be out here 2-3 hours, it's hot. I need to stay hydrated and I need something to eat. So we're about to check in to the 7-Eleven. Okay. How are you all doing?
Good. I'm Liberty.
Liberty?
Asia.
Asia? Okay. I am T-Mid.
T-Mid.
Okay.
How you doing? I'm Eddie. Nice to meet y'all.
Got Eddie right here.
Yes, sir. I'm Garrick.
Hey, I ain't bring the belt, but we still.
I came for that belt,
We
bro.
still gonna do it.
I know you came to bring it to me. That's why you're here. You came to bring it to me. I know you got it somewhere. How you doing?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start over there underneath the trees, and I'm gonna try to keep everything so that they can stay cool, because you don't want them sweating and all that good stuff, right? All right, so we might as well go ahead and start heading over there and set up and start getting these shots. Let's do it.
Left hand, go ahead and put on your
that bill. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But I appreciate everybody coming. So, thank you.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
This is probably the most unique McDonald's I have seen. This is how I'm ordering. So, pretty interesting. Medium fries and large sweet tea with light ice. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Y'all know I always give y'all views. So let me give y'all this view. I just found this. I'm gonna try to come back and get a shoot right here. Check this out. Look at that. So Miss Ayana, how was the first outfit?
The first look was amazing. The backdrop, the lighting, everything.
Okay.
Amazing.
So you got more than just the inside studio that you probably thought, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm really grateful because usually you just get the white background.
Yeah.
Never that.
Yeah. So we gotta put this brown backdrop against something. You want to go something different? What you think?
It's gonna be a brown outfit.
Okay.
And whatever color you got, surprise me.
Surprise you? All right, let's go with sky blue. It's like, no. I don't think
might
that
work.
will I don't know.
It might
You
work.
think?
You never know.
All
You never
right.
know.
I'll let you get dressed. You see how loyal I am? I came to Houston for you.
I appreciate that for real. Now, Japan.
Now, if I
You're
come to
invited.
Japan, if I come to Japan, we got married each other just off of GP, because that's a long.
That
trip.
is. It's giving committed relationship.
Exactly. Without a relationship. Without a status, that's toxic right there.
It is.
We saved the best for last. So how you feel?
I feel good. I'm tired, but
Tired?
and hungry.
Hungry?
But I am very excited to see these pictures.
These pictures. What you gonna get to eat?
I don't know.
You don't know. The world is your oyster.
Literally.
You can
What are
have
you having?
anything. I don't know. I might end up at Waffle House because that's what normally
There's
happens
Waffle
to
House
me.
here?
It is. Oh, she stay getting content. All right, I'm
we'll see
glad to
you
have
in Japan.
major. Yeah, Japan, right?
Bye, y'all.
All right.